So today I'm gonna do 4 days of bikepacking with a Dutch bike. Okay, the hardest thing is to start because I cannot back pedal. It's gonna break. So yes. Running pen, I think. Ooh, these look like Dutchy. It's quite chaos here. Oh, I don't want to stop. It's only 210 kilometers, but I have no idea how much I can pedal with a single gear. It's gonna be interesting. First time riding on gravel. I don't know how much grip those tires have. It's getting bouncy. That looks pretty gross. I don't know. Maybe not. Okay, maybe not. Can I? Yeah, maybe not, huh? This is a steel bike, so it's a bit heavy, but it's not as much as I expected. I hope my bike is gonna be in one piece until the end. I feel like a little more noise. I'm already getting hungry. And strop waffle. Very good. Yes, I'm following the trail map. This is a trail. I can easily take a road probably, but what's the fun of riding a road, right? Campsite. That went well. The first day is over. About 38 kilometers in. Yeah, I think bike handled the terrain quite well, but I'm a bit nervous about riding a single track, and there are some single track coming, so we'll see. Okay, day 2. Oh, I think it's here. Oh, yeah, single track. It's not bad as long as it's flat. I think there's a proper mountain bike trail. Let's try that. Nobody's coming. Great. Let's see. Even standing up position is quite scary. Yes, it's very scary. And if I stand up, I cannot use brake. Yes, if you wanna adjust your pedal, you cannot back pedal, so you have to keep pedaling forward. And this one is probably impossible to go up. Single gear. This could be like green trail, but riding a Dutch bike makes it super hard. MTB route. Oh, okay. There's a water, and it's probably sandy, and I can't use brake right now. You can't pedal backwards. This is just so tiny. If I'm riding a mountain bike, I'm definitely not the problem. Okay. Now I can use a brake on the left side, so I like to use brake on my right, but right now it's kind of hard to do, so. Oh, shit. This is so scary. Okay. Oh, good job. I don't know which way to go. Maybe higher is better. Okay, time to go down. Oh yes. Okay, this is bad. Okay, this is bad maybe. I can see myself not being able to use brake and just keep going fast and fast, crashing to the tree. Yeah, pedal brake is not that strong. Doing 4 days of bike packing with a Dutch bike is a bit stupid. So I believe nobody wanna do this except one guy who is joining me tomorrow with a Dutch bike. This is good. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm also good. So got the sweet ass bike.
Yeah.
Oh, it's such a nightmare.
By the way, my bike was 180 euros.
Oh, okay. My bike was a little cheaper.
How much is it?
20 euros.
20!
It's a bit rusty indeed, but I think she'll do fine. I will say this bike does fit a lot of cargo.
Yeah, I like it. Are we going up here? It's uphill is horrible with this bike. Okay, we're gonna go down.
Oh my god.
Okay.
It's not that bad. It's not great.
He's a Dutch. He knows how to ride a Dutch bike.
Oh, this is...
Woo! The key is how slow you can go. Wow, you went here? That's pretty good. This section scares me. Okay.
You got this.
It's so hard to start
I know.
because I cannot backpedal. I have to pedal forward, which gain some speed, which I don't want to have a speed. This section scares me.
It is pretty scary, I will admit.
Oh, okay. Okay, from here I don't need to use brake, I believe. Oh shit! That was a bit scary too. Another blue trail. I can't use much brakes. Is it steep there?
No, but there's also a big rut here, so you have to be careful.
Oh.
But you got this. It's not that scary, probably.
No? Oh, he's riding it.
Okay, it's pretty scary. Not gonna lie. Go! Woo! Getting all sideways.
Yeah, it's quite rutty there. How was it?
It's all right. It's not too bad. You got this, Yuka.
Don't go in the rut, huh?
Don't go in the rut and you'll be fine.
Yeah. Maybe just go on the grass. Is that okay?
Maybe take the grass, it's all fine. Yeah, these bikes have zero modulation on braking, so...
Much you say standing up is better, but I don't know.
Oh, you're shredding, Yuka.
If I stand up, I use more brake than I need to. Oh my god, this section is...
You got this, you got this. Careful. You're going so fast.
I can't make the corner. Ah, good job.
Oh.
Oh my god. This is the dumbest idea I ever had. We still have like 60 kilometers to go, you know?
Yeah, I think it's almost time we call it quits.
Having fun time? Yeah, last 2 days it was headwind, and finally day 3 it's tailwind. Yeah, surprising how much nature there is in the Netherlands. I think we're getting used to it, maybe. Oh my god. Okay. What? Oh wow. Oh shit. Nice. That was surprising little drop. Easy peasy. Oh yeah, those bumps are killing me. Good
Works.
job. Oh. 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 Sleep shoot. Oh. I crashed. That was so stupid. I just couldn't use the brake. Okay. Yes. The little crack, little dent, crashing into the tree. Oh, the wheel is not straight. The bar is not straight, or the wheel is not straight. The basket is twisted.
Maybe the bike is twisted.
The bike is twisted. Quite possible.
The wheel is like straighter than I imagined.
Last day.
Last day.
Okay, let's go. That's broken, no? Bye. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Yeah, this purple one's nice too.
It's so slow through this mud. But you got this. It's only a bit of mud.
Sliding. Oh, it's narrow, yes. Oh, nice. Do you think are you gonna take some friend on this journey one day?
This section might be. Probably not on this bike. I didn't know you could bike through this much forest in the Netherlands though.
Okay. It's pretty wet. Okay, let's go back.
You tried your best.
That's the most important thing. We tried and we failed.
Too wet.
What the heck is that? Oh. Oh my god, this is fun. I haven't crashed like that for a long time. Oh.
I would mostly blame it on the Dutch bike.
I can't blame because I choose to ride this bike, right? So.
Big whip. Gnarly. It's the dumbest thing.
Yes, but it's good.
Makes no sense. But it is kind of fun.
Make no sense. Ah, came back to Groningen.
And there she goes to pick up the fan. Now we've reached the end of this. Pretty awesome. On the amazing Dutch bikes. Work better than expected. So, conclusion: don't buy a real mountain bike. Get a Dutch bike, works just as well.
Or even better.
Don't try it in Whistler.
Yes. Cool.